Okay, now what we need to do is get our appropriate axle sizes listed here and our wheel sizes listed here. Of course, these axle sizes and these wheel sizes are talking about our same wheels up here, our same axles up here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and start with the axle size. With the axle size, we're simply going to say set this cell equal to our axle size up here. Press return. And it says 1/8. Of course, if we wanted to change this, we could say this is now equal to 1/16, and it changes here. And again, that's really important. Notice I just changed this axle size. It changed it here, changed it here, changed it here, changed it here, changed it here. Just by changing that axle diameter, all of that other data relies on that one. It's dependent. These are the dependent tables that we were talking about earlier. So we're going to say equals 1/8. I'm going to get that back to what it originally was. Now I can simply take the blue box, drag it over, and it took the data from there. So in the wheel size table, I should be able to say equals that wheel size, click, select the 3, drag it down. Now I'm getting some really strange results there. I showed this in an earlier video, and you may have caught it. If you didn't, here you go again. The reason this is happening is because of the relative addressing versus, well, really the relative addressing that we talked about when we were filling in this rotations. What it's doing is basically I said set this cell, which is B23, set it equal to B2, which is what, 21 rows up. So when I dragged it down, this cell is looking 21 rows up, and there you go. This cell looking 21 rows up, and there you go. So it's not letting us use that copy function. But the good news is that our wheel sizes, or wheel diameters, they're sitting right here, vertically stacked. So they are one on top of another, just like our data is here. Okay? Because of the properties of mathematics, if this cell is equal to this cell, if I set this cell equal to this cell, essentially that's saying that this cell is also equal to that cell. Also, what it's going to allow us to do is drag the data down. Now we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I change any of my wheel sizes here, let's pick 6 for example. If I change that to 89 and I press return, it changed to 89 here, changed to 89 here, obviously a considerably larger circumference, and it changed it here. So again, these tables are acting correctly. They are dependent upon our independent data up here. I'm going to go ahead and change that back to 6. So now we have everything we need to go ahead and finish up the distance table, and that we'll do in the next video.